Wait, you've clicked on the right video. A lot is about to change in 2026, and you need to take this video seriously. Don't skip it. What I'm about to share with you will be incredibly valuable for your future. I know some people will scroll past, but that's not going to be you. I want you to listen to every word I'm about to say. For the next few minutes, forget what's going on around you, just focus on my voice. What I'm going to tell you could completely change the way you think about your financial future. So, give me your full attention, because this is something you don't want to miss. 2026 is already here, and if you think your dollars are safe sitting in a bank account or retirement fund, think again. The truth is that inflation is quietly eroding cash. Banks are no longer as stable as they used to be, and the stock market is more volatile than most Americans realize. Many people believe that their money is protected simply because it's in the system, but in reality, doing nothing is the fastest way to lose cash flow and long-term financial security. Even if your balance grows slightly every month, inflation is silently reducing your purchasing power. For example, $50,000 in a bank account earning 1% interest while inflation runs at 4% effectively loses $1,500 in value 1 year alone. This is money that could have been invested, protected, or used to generate more dollars. Protecting your cash flow is critical, and this is where higher wash strategies become your best ally. The first step in protecting your money is awareness. Making dollars is important, but keeping them safe is even more crucial. Wealthy Americans know this. They never put all their money into one type of asset or rely solely on traditional banking. Instead, they diversify across stocks, ETFs, real estate, gold, and cash reserves. Diversification may sound boring, but it's one of the most powerful tools for protecting your cash flow while positioning yourself for long-term growth. Controlling your spending is another key factor. Overspending silently drains cash flow, and many people fail to notice. Credit card interest, subscriptions, car loans, and hidden fees can quietly steal thousands of dollars a year. Without a proper emergency fund, even small unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs can force you to take on debt or sell investments at a loss. That's why building an emergency fund is essential. Keep 3 to 6 months of living expenses in liquid dollars cash that's ready to use. This fund isn't meant for growth. It's a shield to maintain stability and protect cash flow during unexpected events. Investing wisely is another essential strategy. In 2026, traditional stock market investments alone are insufficient. Technology, AI, and emerging industries are creating higher opportunities, but they come with risks. Avoid chasing fads like meme stocks, risky crypto projects, or get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, focus on diversified, long-term investments that balance risk and reward while protecting your cash flow. The goal is to ensure your dollars work for you consistently without unnecessary exposure to sudden market crashes. Debt management is equally critical. High-interest debt, particularly from credit cards or payday loans, erodes cash flow faster than inflation. Every dollar paid toward 20% interest debt is a dollar that could have grown through smart investments. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt before pursuing aggressive investments. Eliminating high-interest liabilities ensures your dollars remain protected and your cash flow remains healthy. Income diversification is another pillar of financial safety. Relying on a single paycheck is risky because layoffs, automation, and economic slowdowns are becoming increasingly common. Creating multiple income streams through freelance work, online businesses, or AI-powered projects provide steady cash flow. Even if your main income source is disrupted, more streams of income equal less risk, more control, and higher long-term ROI on your dollars. Behavioral discipline is just as important as strategy. Avoid panic selling, FOMO, fear of missing out, and procrastination. In 2026, your ability to control your financial decisions is what separates those who thrive from those who fail. Track every dollar, monitor cash flow, and eliminate unnecessary spending. Even $200 a month in waste adds up to $2,400 per year dollars that could be invested or protected for high raw growth. Let's consider real-world examples. If you have $50,000 in a bank account earning 1%, while inflation is 4%, you lose $1,500 in real purchasing power annually. However, if that $50,000 is diversified $20,000 in stocks, $10,000 in gold, $10,000 in real estate, and $10,000 in liquid cash, you protect your dollars, maintain cash flow, and reduce exposure to volatility. Diversification is not just smart, it's essential for long-term financial security. Another example, someone relying solely on one paycheck loses their income due to layoffs. Without multiple streams of income, cash flow stops, creating stress and potential debt. But someone with diversified income sources, online businesses, freelance projects, dividend income continues to maintain steady dollars, even when their main job disappears. Income diversification is both defensive and offensive, ensuring financial survival and long-term wealth growth. The system itself isn't designed to protect you. Banks, corporations, and financial institutions prioritize profits over your dollars. That's why financial literacy is your most valuable asset. Understanding how money works, how to protect it, and how to invest for high ROI is the difference between maintaining financial security and losing it entirely. Educated investors act before problems arise, protecting their cash flow proactively. Every financial decision you make today affects your dollars tomorrow. Doing nothing is the riskiest move. Making money is difficult, but losing it is easy, especially when debt, inflation, and market volatility work against you. Taking action now ensures your dollars are protected, your cash flow remains steady, and you are positioned for long-term growth. Here's your actionable plan. Build an emergency fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses in liquid cash. Diversify your investments across multiple asset types. Pay off high-interest debt immediately. Create multiple income streams to safeguard cash flow. Invest in higher, stable assets such as AI tech stocks, gold, real estate, and dividend-paying stocks. Track every dollar to maximize efficiency and maintain cash flow. Advanced strategies include dollar cost averaging in stock investments, investing in low-cost index funds, and exploring emerging sectors with strong long-term growth potential. Reinvesting dividends and rental income further boosts cash flow and protects dollars against inflation. Psychology is key. Avoid fear-driven decisions and impulsive investments. Most Americans panic when markets dip, selling assets at a loss. Instead, stay calm, follow your plan, and maintain diversified positions to ensure your cash flow remains intact. Emergency preparedness is vital. Unexpected costs like medical bills, home repairs, or sudden unemployment can strike at any time. An adequate emergency fund ensures that you won't have to liquidate investments at a loss, preserving cash flow and financial stability. Protecting your money also requires understanding taxes, tax-efficient investing, retirement account contributions, and strategic capital gains planning preserve more dollars, enhancing your overall ROI. Proper planning can save thousands annually, increasing your protected wealth. Insurance plays a critical role. Health, property, and life insurance prevent unexpected expenses from draining your dollars. Proper coverage acts as a safety net, maintaining cash flow during crises. Investing in yourself is another higher strategy. Skills that increase earning potential like AI knowledge, coding, digital marketing, or financial literacy enhance income streams and protect long-term dollars. Continuous learning is one of the most reliable ways to safeguard and grow wealth. Long-term thinking is essential. Short-term trends may be tempting, but real wealth is built through consistent, calculated actions. Diversification, debt management, emergency funds, and multiple income streams create financial resilience and sustainable cash flow growth. The reality is stark. Dollars are at risk in 2026, but waiting for a warning is too late. Take control today. Protect your money, secure your cash flow, and position yourself for a higher growth. Every day you delay, inflation and market volatility erode your wealth. Act now, before it's too late, and take charge of your financial future.